Hey guys, what's up? This is Rob Shapiro, your no BS crypto investing guy here, and I wanted to give you a little update on the markets, the crypto markets. Got my hands on some new indicators and kind of playing around with it. Wanted to show you the things that I'm seeing. Um, right here, this indicator is Bitcoin log growth curves, and let me take you back. I'm on the weekly right now. Let me take you back to the last market top in 2018. So I want you to see how here in 2018, when the market peaked with Bitcoin at just shy of 20,000, you can see that it came up and it hit this top logarithmic growth line and then came down from there and then finally bottomed out and touched the bottom one here in around the end of 2018, beginning of 2019. And then from there it started its rise up, made a rise to the middle line right here, and then came back down and actually busted even further below that, crazily. So sorry, I'm trying to make a call go away here. And then climbed along that logarithmic line and moved its way up, hit this middle one, came up, and this is the recent top here back in April, May of this year. And we see how it came down. And you've got all these different lines here that act as like levels of support and resistance. So this kind of made a support level. It's come up. It's hitting a little resistance at this middle line. The point of this that I'm trying to make is, the research that I'm doing, the data that I'm gathering is telling me that more than likely this is our second bull run right here. There's usually two bull runs in any like major bull year. The last one, the last time we had that was 2017, and then before that I think it was like 2012 or 13. And so this bull run right here will go definitely into the end of the year, more than likely. Probably December is where I'm going to guess that it's going to end. And when it does, more than likely it's gonna bounce off this top resistance. And so that puts us, depending on what date it hits, anywhere between like 130,000 to perhaps say like 145. Maybe, it could always overshoot it. So let's call it 160. That's probably going to be the level we're going to hit. And then from there, we can probably expect a downturn. There are indicators that help us to determine that. Let me go through some of my stuff here. Go pop up golden ratio multiplier. Let's see what that shows us. Okay, got similar stuff on that. There. All right. Nope, that doesn't really tell me what I want to hear. Let me see what I want to see, and then let's go pi cycle top indicator. This one. Let's see there. So hold on. Let's go back here. Yeah, that one. Sorry, I'm still kind of playing around with these, so bear with me. Anytime I discover these things, I start kind of fooling around with them. Most of the time, I try to be relatively well experienced before I get in and do one of these. But I figured, what the hell? I'll show you what the hell is this thing. What it looks like. So this Pule multiple indicator is actually pretty interesting. This one, I'm going to take us back to, all right, here. That's not showing me what I want to see. Oh, my fault. Sorry. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. Okay, so once again, this is our market top in December 2017. see how this indicator stays in this dark area for the most part during the market and then suddenly jumps into this red zone? So this basically signifies a market top, a temporary market top, and a little bit more of a long-term one, one that's going to last probably a year or more. So this would have been a good point to start cashing out, is like once this got up in here and got past this red line here. So as you can see, if we go out, it kind of shows that it bottoms right here, and I've got other indicators to help me with that too. I've got the MACD right there. I've got this the hash ribbon one as well. Let me clear that one out. And the MACD helps me, kind of smooths out some of the information. Let's come over here. We saw this like little peak up and then drop down. Keep going, but it stays, notice that it stays within this black zone right here. So this recent market top that we just hit in April, May, this indicator comes up and bounces back and forth a little bit. So what this tells you is that it's a temporary top. So you could have cashed out a little bit, but if you didn't, you don't have to worry about it too much. Like it comes down, settles down here, starts to ascend again. So what we're going to look at moving forward is we're going to watch this and see when it moves into this zone right here. And once that happens, I'm going to indicate it. I'm going to announce it to my subscribers, and you're going to make your own decisions. Not financial advice, but you'll make your decisions as to what you want to do, whether you'll start cashing out, whether you'll start consolidating into more stable projects, or if you're just going to ride the storm out. So anyway, I just kind of wanted to give you that update. Hope that's helpful. And if you are interested in learning more about this stuff, I do have a paid subscriber portal that I am setting up, so you can go over there and check it out. I'm going to be running updates through an app called Slack. It allows me to set up multiple channels so I can update it daily. It makes it a lot easier, and I'll have more content available to you. I'm actually creating a bunch of videos on how to read these indicators, how to scale back and look at chart patterns, how to find good content, how to sort through all the bullshit, and how to find the really legitimate stuff, and how to avoid FOMO, how to avoid fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD, and how to prosper in this investment class, these digital assets. So again, this is Rob Shapiro with your No BS Investing channel here. All right, talk to you later.